Hi, I'm Nancy Barrow, the engagement manager and podcast host for Connecticut Paid Leave. This is a new interview segment called 5 Minutes of Impact, short but powerful conversations with Connecticut Changemakers. Our changemaker today is Cristian Cuatzo, the Bridgeport Outreach Informational Specialist for the Southwestern Connecticut Agency on Aging, also known as SWCAA. Welcome to 5 Minutes of Impact, Cristian. Thanks for being here.
Thank you for having us.
Well, why don't you give me some background, Cristian? Can you tell me about the SWCAA? What does it do and who do you help?
Yeah, of course. So we're one of the 5 area agencies on aging in the state, and we have been helping our community for over 50 years. We help those who are 60 and over, or those who are under 60 but are disabled. And at the moment, we service regularly over 4,000 clients across our different programs. Our biggest one being the Connecticut Home Care Program for elders, which is an excellent option elders have to age in place and receive in home care from the convenience of their homes. We also have short term respite programs that are there to give break to caregivers. We also have my department that I work in, which is Choices. It's an excellent program. And together with our wonderful volunteers across the 14 towns and cities that we service, we try to find the best option in terms of healthcare for our seniors and people who are disabled. And that can come in different ways, such as, you know, what they qualify for in terms of federal and state programs so that they can reduce the cost sharing that comes with Medicare. Also, we screen them for local resources that they might be eligible for, such as SNAP or Husky. And of course, we do a lot of community engagement, a lot of events, and we do presentations such on Medicare, of course, and of course on senior Medicare patrol tips so seniors can prevent Medicare fraud and abuse. And if they were able to find themselves in that situation, we can remediate them and give them the support and guidance that they need. And we also have community options, another great department. They specifically help people who are disabled, but also people who might be already in an institution, in a nursing home, and they want to come back into the community. It's a great option for them. They're able to do that and receive home care as well. And there's also the PCA waiver, the ABI waiver. If someone has a traumatic brain injury, those individuals are able to also age and receive care in place. And of course, there's community first choice, another excellent option so that people who are disabled are able to self-direct their care. So as you can see, we do a lot, and
Yeah,
we're always trying to find new ways to help our community.
you're so busy. I don't know how you find time to do all of what you do. It's amazing what you do.
Yeah, it really is. It really is. We have an excellent team.
How can our viewers or listeners get in touch with SWCAA and how can they work with you?
The best option is by calling our 1-800 number. That's 1-800-994-9422. That's the Aging Answers hotline, and they can call us. They can leave their name, their phone number, the reason for their call, and everyone on my team will be able to get back to them within 3 business days, but usually earlier than that. And we're more than happy to always help.
Is there a project or program or initiative that you're focused on right now, Cristian, or is there a program that you're really proud of?
Yeah, as an agency, we have a pilot program called Cure Transition, and it's meant to identify people who are 64 and older that are at risk of being readmitted into the hospital. So we connect them to those resources before that even occurs. And we've been able to help over 100 clients so far. And also, we're very happy to collaborate with Connecticut Paid Leave as it gives another option to caregivers who perhaps need to caregive for a short amount of time. So it's another arsenal in our resources, and we're happy to spread the word.
Well, thank you. And what's one final thought that SWCAA and you would like our viewers and listeners to take away from our conversation today?
Definitely that there are resources out there. Sometimes there are clients and people that call us that didn't know that they were eligible for programs. So it's always a good idea to just reach out. We're here to help, and we're more than happy to find the solutions that, our community, people who are over 65 or disabled, are looking for.
Well, that's all the time we have on 5 Minutes of Impact, short but powerful conversations with Connecticut Changemaker. And I really want to thank our Connecticut Changemaker today, Cristian Cuatzo, the Bridgeport Outreach Information Specialist for the Southwestern Connecticut Agency on Aging. Thank you so much for being here, Cristian.
Thank you for having us.
You guys do great work. I'm Nancy Barrow, and for a deeper dive into Connecticut paid leave, please listen to the Paid Leave podcast on our website at ctpaidleave.org. And thanks for joining us.